Autel MaxiSys diagnostic scanners are essential tools for programming key fobs and handling immobilizer systems in modern vehicles. These systems are anti-theft mechanisms that use transponders, chips, or RFID to prevent unauthorized starts. Programming involves reading the vehicle's ECU, generating a new key code, and syncing it with the IMMO module. MaxiSys supports protocols like OBD2, CAN bus, and proprietary systems such as Ford PATS and Toyota G-Chip. Recent updates enhance compatibility with over 150 vehicle brands, including Tesla and EVs, and integrate AI-assisted diagnostics, reducing programming time. Ensure your MaxiSys device is updated via the Autel app to avoid errors due to evolving cybersecurity measures and rolling codes in vehicles from manufacturers like BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Begin by connecting the MaxiSys scanner to the vehicle's OBD2 port. This establishes the communication link needed for programming. Select the correct vehicle make, model, and year from the software database. This ensures compatibility with the specific IMMO system. Access the IMMO menu and use Read EEPROM or Read Keys to retrieve existing key data from the vehicle's system. Insert the blank key or fob into the ignition, or use an external programmer like Autel's APB112 for proximity keys. Program the new key by writing data using Learn Key or Add Key procedure. This may involve cycling the ignition or pressing buttons. Test the key fob for remote functions like lock, unlock, and panic button, and confirm synchronization with the vehicle. Remember safety precautions, required hardware, and the benefits of using MaxiSys for cost-effective, reliable key fob programming.